Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be showing you my top 5 favorite LUTs. They're all free and they're all really good quality. If this does look a little different, that's because I'm filming from a different angle. Comment down below if you like this better than the average shot from right here. Just let me know. I'm happy to change. So let's get into the software. So we're here in Final Cut Pro, and my LUT loader I use is called MLUT. And it is a free LUT loader, really great. I'll put all the links to everything in the description below. So what you do is you just drag it onto your thing. I already have it dragged onto my adjustment layer, so just drag it on there, drop it, and over here in your effects tab it'll pop up. And the first one I'm going to show you is actually one built in. So it is called Dramatic. So we're going to click on that and just look at that. So see what it looks like without the LUT. You can see my skin's a little pasty because, you know, wintertime out here, not getting much tan. And you have that LUT applied and it makes the whole skin look just a little more natural. You can see more saturation out here in the background, adds more contrast, and just brings the whole image together nicely. So that is the first one I got. The next one is also free. It's called Badlands. This one is a little more saturated, so you can mess around with the intensity over here, you know, mess around with how much you want. But this is what it looks like. A little too orange for my liking, a little too red around my mouth from where my lips are. But when you take it down to about 75%, which is what I use, pretty much, I like it a lot. I've actually used this LUT on paid gigs before because of how high quality it is. Let's get into the ones you free downloads. So these are just the included ones. Now let's go over to the ones I've downloaded. I'll link all of these down below. One I like the most out of them is Vintage 1. I don't know why I like it so much, but I really just enjoy like faded look. If you look at my Instagram, you can see shadows are all faded out in a lot of them. Follow that, by the way, at eric.gramer, but that's beside the point. Without it applied, you can see everything, and then with it, shadows a little more faded, colors a little undersaturated. I just think that looks really cool, and for this specific film I think it works really great. This film you'll see I think tomorrow or Saturday. I haven't decided the release date because it's a pretty big film that I've been working on for a long time. So this one I like to use at 50% because it just fades just enough and it doesn't, so look at this, 100% compared to 50. See, 100% you can't even see like the bill or creases. 50% you can see everything, but it does add a little more saturation. So that's a really great one I like using. I probably use this one the most. For the fourth LUT, it is another vintage look. This one brings down the exposure, ups the saturation of a lot of things. You can just see what it looks like without it. Just a reminder, all of these will be included in the description below. The last one is called Cinestyle. I downloaded this from someone named Zach on YouTube. Really good filmmaker. I'll link his channel and these below. Here is what it looks like at 100%. A little too dark for my liking, so I'm going to bring that down to 50 or 75, and it's golden in my opinion. What I like about this one is it is more of a teal blue color grade like a lot of main YouTubers do. It's a little more low key and it's free, so really nice. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Comment if you liked the video, share it with a friend if you thought it was helpful or you think it'd benefit your friend. All the links to these LUTs will be in the description below, including the LUT loader. See you next time, which is tomorrow.